did you know that sessions can create transcripts and summaries for you? So there's no need to pay for a third-party app to do this. During your live session, simply click on Transcript and start transcription. I'm not going to do this now because I'd rather show you this from another session's memory. So let's take a look. You'll see that it includes names and timestamps, and you can even pin the important parts for if you want to revisit them again later. You can translate this, you can download it, and you can also ask AI to create a summary for you. So I'm asking it to create a meeting overview, use, and I want to add this to my takeaways. Now you can copy this and paste it into your own communication, or you can simply click on send via email and everyone who was in the session will receive this summary. Why is this awesome? Well, firstly, it saves you money because you don't have to buy a third-party app. Secondly, you can keep record of everything that everyone said and pin the important parts. And thirdly, it takes the sting out of follow-up admin and saves you time.